software. I thought the timeline is kind of interesting. So about 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, got deported. No crimes were committed. It was just like visa confusion. And then they gave me a 5-year ban. And then I sat in my bedroom and I made a lot of software. Most of it was really bad. That's my LinkedIn photo is my deportation mugshot. Fun fact. I built the first UI for AutoGPT as a side project. So it was kind of just like a little thing I was doing on the weekend beyond my like boring software I was building. And that was the first software I ever built that people actually wanted to use. I didn't have to beg them. So I noticed that all these people were super excited about using agents. If you're not familiar with AutoGPT, it was this like the first agent framework, and everyone was super hyped about it. A lot of people were non-technical, which was the main realization. They didn't know what GitHub was. They couldn't install it. So I was like, what if I could let non-technical people use AI like they were hoping to? They would. This is what it looked like in the early days. It was called Agent Hub. I thought it was going to be GitHub for agents, and then I immediately realized when people were complaining to me that agents weren't reliable, that basically these were just workflows. All of their requests were just complex workflows. If they knew how to use a bit of Python, make a couple API calls, and then make a couple LLM queries, they could automate their work like they were hoping to. So, okay, yeah, I skipped a bit, but we raised, I went through IC and raised a seed, and then we raised the Series A as a team of 2, which I think is kind of fun. So we're like a notoriously small teams building what is now like this really flexible automation software. It's kind of like playing with Legos, and we let companies, mainly people who are non-technical at large companies, just automate their work, integrate with their data, use LLMs. I'll get into a couple of use cases in a second, but it is really horizontal. You can really automate anything. And why I'm here, why we're hiring is we want to make this, I mean, this is kind of a cringe at this point, could say cursor over X, but we really want to let anyone automate work. Right now, there's a bit of a learning curve, but we're building this co-pilot system into the platform where you can just prompt and get your automation built for you. We're a team of 6 people right now, 2 engineers, 2 ex-customers. So our customer from Instacart quit his job and joined us, and our customer from Webflow also quit his job and joined us. We're hiring full stack engineers and the founding designer. No real number in sight, maybe a couple engineers, maybe more. The plan is to be a 10-person billion-dollar company. We're 6 right now. And yeah, we're scaling pretty quickly. This month should be bigger than last, but it's finally getting easy enough for anyone to automate work. So we're pretty excited to just kind of keep doing what we're doing. We also are fun to work with. This is we put in the slide to show like we do fun things. I came back from Yosemite 2 hours ago. We had a company retreat. But yeah, we try to like just stay really small and have a lot of fun just coding things that we enjoy. Here's my phone number. If you want to text me, you can just shoot me a message. This is a QR code to our company handbook, which kind of gives more context about what we're building and why we're building it. Feel free to read that and then text me about it.